After Hurricane Faye, the pool is really cold and Chris is gonna do a front flip. Oh no! Look at that skinny fucker, get out.
It seems the world's falling down around me. The nights are long.